Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to move text to middle of cell in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I move text to middle of cell on this sheet. At first, you have to select some blank cell. Then go to home menu, then click merge and center, drop down and click merge and center. Now write anything on this text. Now I move text to middle of cell. So at first select this text, then make it bigger on this text. Then go to home menu, then align middle of cell. Now you can see I move text to middle of cell in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.